On the video today, we're going to be showing you how we manufacture our stainless steel bumpers in-house at our factory in Yorkshire. So, I will give you over to Jay, our fabricator, and he will show you how.
Right, we've just received our parts from the laser place. So the first step today is we're going to fold them to the angles. We're going to relate to the drawings, get them to the angles for the bumpers, which we're going to fold on our machine. Which, as you see, has come out of the degree that I am after on my drawing. So I'll just continue getting them all up, get everything folded and start putting them together. Right, now all the parts must be laser cut. They've been to the Armada folder, everything folded. We're going to start now and put them together. But as they are, they're in sections, so we're going to do a section at a time. So we'll get some of those pieces that we've previously folded. When they've been lasered, they just all click together. It's just like a jigsaw in a sense. The main part is going to be welding for the pull of the material to make sure we keep the shape of the bumper. So what we're doing now, we'll just do them in sections. So we get them on, put them in. It's just like a jigsaw puzzle, to be fair. Just making sure everything lines up. So as you can see, it starts coming together. So we'll get a few of these put together and we'll come back to you and we'll show how we finish the full bumper itself. To the jig, get it all lined up, and then we're ready for tacking. So as you can have a look, it's all jigged in, all in place. The finished bumper is all in now, all ready to be fully welded in sections. Obviously, with it being stainless, or even mild steel, like you say, the heat will pull. So if we do it in sections, come away from it, another section, and then take it from there. But yes, all ready now to be welded up. As you saw in the last clips, we'll put it together, tacking it together, and as you can see now, it's been at jig, out at jig, completed the welding, all welded up now, done the measurements, everything is to what it should be. So now, we're going to the next stage, is now, I'm going to sand it and condition it, and get it up to the perfected as what I'm wanting. Back foot powder course now, ready for fitting. As you can see, the bumper, the finished product, finished in your powder coat black. Obviously, we do different colours to the customer's request, but it's on now, towing eyes all in, cover plates already looking nice. Next, hopefully, we'll be fitting the winch bumper, which at the moment we are waiting some brackets from the laser place. So join me in a couple of days where we'll fit it and we'll be taking the 90 out on a test drive, see how it runs.